registration for the Young Satyarthi contest. You can find more about the Young Satyarthi contest in the description below. I am Nuwan and I study at Ryan International School, Rohini. Let's watch a presentation by Aarush Srivastava from Ryan Mayur Vihar. His role model is an iconic character from a movie. Over to Aarush.
Hello friends, I am Aarush Srivastava from Ryan International School, Mayur Vihar. My presentation is about Let Me Give You a Hint Friends. This is a song from a famous movie where he plays the main character. Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance, I wanna grow up once again. Can you all make a guess who sang this mesmerizing song? My role model is not a person, but a famous character from a movie. The one and only Ranchor Das Shamal Das Chanchar, aka Funsuk Wangdu. Ranchor Das Shamal Das Chanchar, popularly known as Rancho in Three Idiots, is one of the most memorable and charming character of all times and also my role model. He excellently manages all the life troubles with simply 3 magical words. All is well, which have been and will always be a source of positivity and has also inspired me to never give up. Rancho is also a true friend who not only stands up for his friends but also pushes them in their hard times, just as he never gave up on Raju. Do you all know that? He teaches us that interest and passion can take you to your dream goal. Just as when he was motivating his friend to follow his passion for photography and even convinced his parents not to do so and follow his dreams. Now I will tell a bit about myself and how Ranju has helped me to achieve my dreams. Speaking of my passion, I am extremely passionate about modeling and acting and also have participated in many pageant rounds, superstar contests and have done many photo shoots too. This couldn't be possible without my parents, who are my biggest pillar of support and have always been with me at every step. Following the life mantras by Ranchor Das Shamal Das Chanchar, I was so taken aback by his thought process and his undenying love for his dreams. We as Rhinites have always been motivated to dream big and to follow our passion as we are the kings and the queens in the making. I feel extremely encouraged by his love, passion, dedication, friendship, and his enthusiasm for his dreams, which he never left and always followed them. As rightly said by Rancho, बच्चा काबिल बनो काबिल, सक्सेस के पीछे मत भागो, एक्सीलेंस का पीछा करो, सक्सेस तो जग मार के तुम्हारे पीछे आएगा. I also try to follow my passion of acting, modeling and theatre, and I want to achieve success in my life. With this, I would like to conclude by saying that all is well. Thank you. It was a pleasure being here today. जहाँ अपना तुझसे great हो, तोहफा कबूल करो.
Wow, this was interesting, especially the way Aarush modulates his voice and his funny expressions. He was full of energy and very passionate about his dream. It was great to listen to him because he made his presentation like a show. We can easily make out he practices speech very well. Now it's your turn, friends. Get out there and make some amazing presentation for the Young Satyarthi contest. Friends, if you liked our video, don't forget to give us a like, comment or share. Thanks for watching. Bye.